Welcome to the customer support tutorial for Asset Docker. Begin by logging in with your user ID. Access customer support. Navigate to the sidebar and select the customer support option. Notify others. You will notice that your email address is pre-filled. Enter the email address of the individual you wish to notify alongside your own. Subject line. Provide a clear and concise subject for your support ticket. Description. Detail your issue or request in the description field to ensure our support team understands your needs. Attachments to enhance the clarity of your ticket. Consider adding a relevant attachment. Submission. Once all fields are completed, click the Submit button to send your request. To review previously submitted tickets, navigate to My Tickets. Here, you can view older tickets along with their detailed statuses. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.